What's up, guys? So I told you guys I was gonna talk about this other file, part of my series, so I'm back with this video. So let's get started already. I mean, you already read the title, so you should know what we're doing. Okay, so first we import the socket because this is, again, online. Then we make a socket object. Then, since we already binded it here in this line, this is gonna connect. So this is my computer, so it's gonna connect to my computer. And then this CM is just a name. It's just a random name, so don't worry about it. Like, you can change this name to whatever you like. And then I just made sure I did global how much, just to be safe and have it as a global variable. Then I said try how much equals and whatever, so it makes it into an integer. But the thing is, sometimes people might enter like a letter, so that could be a problem. So yeah, that's probably gonna be a problem. So like, we want it not to do that. We want it to make sure if anything goes wrong, it just changes the value to 5. So it was good, like nothing happens. And then from web browser, so here you can actually, I don't know why I put it there, so let's just put that up here. That's better and more organized. So after we imported this, it's this opens a new window. So how much is the variable you get from the other connection? So it's gonna do this line that amount of time. So let's just say it's 5 for now. So it's gonna run this line 5 times, which means it's gonna open this website 5 times. And the website is gonna be here. It's gonna be defined as whatever it receives, and then the other one is how many times. And then it's just gonna run it. So like, that's it. So here, let's run it again. Run this again, and bam. Is it working now? Oh yeah, that's right. I put that I want that amount to be 2, but there's only one machine right now, so let's do that. Okay, now is it working? Okay, so now you can go on here, and this is the same thing as before. So website, and let's just say googly.com, and then how many times? Let's just say 3 for now. Now let's say prank school. So I'll show you guys how to customize this to your liking in the next video. So I hope you guys see that video, because it's probably gonna be the best one. So make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell.